Hello, fellow investors. Today, we are going to unveil the hidden truth behind DEX-DappAI.com. This company is making a buzz around the investment world due to its suspicious activities. I'm Jordan, and on this channel, we're dedicated to safeguarding your investments from fraudulent practices. If you've ever come across DEX-DappAI.com in your trading journey, you'll want to pay close attention because we're about to reveal what's really going on behind the scenes. Is DEX-DappAI.com legit or a scam? The answer is clear. DEX-DappAI is a red flag-waving scam broker. Their promises of easy profits and way of slick marketing may entice you, but if you pay attention, you can find a web of deceit and hidden fees designed to exploit unsuspecting traders. Before entrusting your hard-earned money to this shady platform, let's delve into the murky depths of DEX-DappAI's operation. Let's talk about their deposits and withdrawals issues. They accept various deposit methods, but they provided very little information about their deposit fees, methods, and processes. However, withdrawal options seem limited, and user reports of delayed or denied withdrawals abound. Red flags and warning signs. The largest warning sign is that they don't allow risk-free demo accounts. This means that you have to risk losing real money if you want to test out the platform. Avoid doing it. Report your case to us. You will get the link in this video description. Together, we can protect the trading community from falling prey to brokers like DEX-DappAI. But it starts with awareness and education. So how can you protect yourself from falling victim to scams like DEX-DappAI? First and foremost, always conduct thorough research before investing with any broker. At brokercomplaintalert.com, we're dedicated to helping victims of crypto and forex scams. Visit our website for expert advice and guidance on recovering your stolen funds. Stay informed, stay vigilant, and remember that help is always available at brokercomplaintalert.com.